Hello, or as we say in Sweden, hallå. My name is Maria Sundin, and I have been teaching popular and interdisciplinary astronomy for more than 25 years now, and I would like to share some of my experience. Today, I'm going to talk about raising the interest and reaching out with interdisciplinary astronomy. I would wish for everybody to be aware of the existence of a vast number of interdisciplinary subjects and questions when teaching astronomy. I have chosen 5 specific themes today to talk about. Why do I do that? Well, most people are interested in astronomy, but I have found that interdisciplinary astronomy is a great way to attract the inspiration and attention of people who might not be so. Equestrian sports on Mars. How high can a horse jump on Mars? Can a horse breathe on Mars? Is it too cold for horses on Mars? Use these questions and start talking about the planet Mars, or talk about other sports, or perhaps invent new sports in zero gravity. If you look at different paintings, you will most likely find that they depict the full moon or a thin crescent. A gibbous moon is much rarer. Use this or other paintings, start to talk about the phases of the moon, or perhaps you can start a collaborative project in art where an art teacher can explain why this phase is so rarely seen in paintings. When will the weather turn cold? How far away is the dawn? Will the rainy season start soon? We can look at our computer, our phone, or read a paper, but people earlier in history had to look to the sky to find these answers. The Pleiades are easy to find, and they are visible from all around the world. And you can explain how they can be used as a celestial clock, or you can use them and start to talk about stellar evolution or stellar clusters. Starships. You can use them to let young children draw starships or build models, when you can have very advanced projects at the university level. How do you design a starship? How do you get gravity on a starship? How do you create a sustainable environment in a starship? The Vikings more or less followed the same latitude when they navigated across the Atlantic. Most likely they used the sun. It is not that hard to create a sundial, and then you can use that to experiment during one day or during a whole year about how to find your directions and how to keep your direction. Please feel free to contact me if you have any questions or if you want to discuss anything else. Bye.